While watering in your garden or washing vehicles in the garage, you might face some annoying issues like water leakage, pipe bursting with your existing hose. So it's time to change your tune, as the latest garden hoses have been upgraded with premium grade materials and innovative technologies to make your life easier and let you get rid of those problems. So in today's video, we will show you the 7 best garden hose that is manufactured from premium grade materials and has superior qualities to withstand your all-water transporting tasks indoor or outdoor. So without wasting more time, let's dive in.
From DIY projects to product reviews and hacks, Tool Zone is where we test all sorts of gear to offer the most unbiased reviews you'll find anywhere, so that you can make well-informed purchase decisions while avoiding getting ripped off.
Starting with the Giraffe Tools Garden Hose Reel, a high-grade retractable hose that has a much longer length and is suitable for indoor and outdoor uses. This space-saving garden hose pivots 180 degrees for its bracket design so that you can get absolute convenience while using it, and even fold it to the wall when not using it. The 130 feet half-inch diameter hose has passed the 200 pounds per square inch pressure test, while its bursting pressure has been tested at up to 600 pounds per square. Additionally, it has the unique ceramics technology applied in the G guiding system to ensure its prolonged lifetime and make it kink-proof. Besides, you can lock the hose at any length as you desire because it has a smart lock mechanism, allowing you to use it effortlessly around your garden. So if you're looking for a long garden hose for your big garden or lawn, then you must check out this retractable garden hose reel of Giraffe Tools. Next, we have the Gilmore Flat Weeper Soaker, a highly affordable garden hose that is lightweight yet durable to get your every watering task done in the garden. Made of solid vinyl material, this super flexible soaker hose gets water right exactly where you want it, at every root. Coming with the clog-resistant fabric cover, this hose seeps out water from all sides of the jacket and delivers it directly into the soil. This soaker hose allows you consistent soaking and creates an easy DIY watering system by burying the hose under mulch. In addition, you have to keep the end cap properly tightened to get rid of the kinks, as any kinks will shut off the water flow to the rest of the house. For waste-free watering in garden beds and other tight spaces and enjoying healthy, vibrant plants without all the watering work, this Gilmore soaker hose will be a great deal to get. Now get introduced to the YAMATIC Pressure Washer, a super flexible grading hose compatible with most brand power washers and comes with high technologies. This hose is designed to compete with high-performance gas power washer of up to 3,200 pounds per square inch pressure and is tasted of up to 8,700 pounds per square inch bursting pressure. Made of innovative high-technology material, this garden hose offers extreme strength and wear resistance while providing a longer lifetime and safe use for your indoor and commercial use. This 50-foot, 1/4 inch diameter hose is manufactured using a unique high-tech process, meaning you can have a non-marking, great kink resistance user experience and easy maneuvering facilities. Also, it features solid brass M22 14mm thread that ensures absolute convenience while attaching to power washers. Shortly put, featuring extra flexible, easy to maneuver, and kink-proof aspects, this YAMATIC garden hose will provide a great value for your every buck. Get maximum performance while watering in the garden with the TheFitLife, a flexible and highly expandable garden hose that is lightweight and collapsible. Weighing at only 1.8 pounds, this hose starts out 17 feet and can expand up to 50 feet long under a 0.5 megapascal water pressure. With the triple-layer latex interior and 3/4 inch US standard fittings, this hose passed the test of up to 2,000 uses under 145 pounds per square inch water pressure. Having a brass valve at the end, this hose ensures better water flow control, while the solid brass thread lets you attach it firmly to your existing power washer. Apart from that, it comes with a unique 8-pattern spray nozzle that can be used for different watering purposes like gardening, watering, car washing, and so many you can think of. In order to have a collapsible and low-weighing garden hose that has accessible storing facilities, FitLife has all the qualities to make your life easier. Now check out the Bionic Steel Garden Hose, an ultra-durable metal water hose that is flexible, lightweight, and withstands all weather conditions. This super tough garden hose has a unique interlocking flex design, which makes it highly flexible and easy to maneuver around tight corners, trees, and other obstacles in your garden. Plus, the stainless steel hose can compete with any hazardous conditions from sub-zero temperatures to a hot summer day, and will ensure you superb reliability and convenience. Engineered with aluminum crush-resistant fittings and a stabilizer collar, it can withstand extreme force, while the on and off valve makes the output easy to control. To make it kink-proof, the hose's body is encased in a sturdy stainless steel outer layer and allows you to have consistent, steady, and high-pressure water flow all the time. In short, if you need a solid and long-lasting hose that can avoid becoming damaged under heavy pressure and harsh conditions, you should keep this Bionic Steel Garden Hose on your shortlist. Multifunctional working aspects and reliability in mind, meet the Flexi hose, an expandable garden hose with strong fittings and lightweight constructions. This expandable garden hose automatically expands 3 times extra long when water is turned on. Plus, it features solid 3/4-inch brass connectors that ensure the expanding garden water pipe fits the typical outdoor garden taps firmly, avoiding any water leakage. To keep the inner tube effectively protected from thorns, punctures, and sharp corners, this hose is designed with the 3750D elastic outer fabric with 4 layers of latex. Furthermore, it has been endurance tested to 2,000 uses and can withstand water pressure of up to 12 bar and temperatures up to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. Additionally, it is packed with an 8-pattern rotating hose spray nozzle constructed out of durable zinc alloy and features an ergonomic slip-resistance rubberized handle for extra comfort. To sum up, anyone who needs a reliable option that will last longer and has standout durability should check this Flexi hose at least once. At number 1, here comes the Flexzilla HFCG 5100YW, the most durable, lightweight, and reliable garden hose that stays flexible in all weather conditions and has a different version to meet every gardener's needs. Engineered with a lightweight, flexible hybrid polymer, this garden hose lays flat and eliminates kinking under pressure and withstands any weather. This 100 feet 5/8-inch garden hose has a maximum working pressure of 70 degrees Fahrenheit and can withstand water pressure of up to 150 pounds per square inch. Plus, its durable outer cover resists abrasion. Moreover, this garden hose won't fight you when you coil it, while the superior O-ring ensures you get a long-term leak-free connection at the fixture. Overall, this garden hose is available in a wide variety of lengths, dimensions, and fittings to meet all your needs and has the most standout features to help out with the watering tasks. So that was the list of the 7 best garden hose just for you.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we missed a product or should add it, we would love to know.
Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.